It might be contaminated. A handheld Geiger is pretty useful that way. There are many, many different kinds out there, but there's a whole bunch of information in the directory at Classnet. I appreciate that. All right, then. Good luck. Thank you. Vincent from Wisconsin, you there? Vincent, you there?
Yes, I am.
Hi, how are you, man?
Hi, I'm good. I wanted to know if you knew about the website getoutofdebtfree.com or .org. Getoutofdebtfree.org website, a series of letters that you can send to your bank to basically cancel your debt. You get debt collectors or student loans, you get them off your back and they stop bothering you. Have you ever heard of this?
Well, I have over the years. I've heard of a great many things that promise that. Unfortunately, many
Get that tail, Binks. Get that tail.
people who took those approaches wound up being
Get your shadow.
rather than getting out of debt. I would have to look at.
Hey, she's trying to get her own tail. And then she starts to try and get her shadow.
And the system is imploding. I mean, economically, the system.
Binks, you're silly. You're not a dog. You're a cat.
Total repression is just around the corner. And I wouldn't spend a lot of time worrying about that now because